Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're here for the first time, you're highly welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, you're doing amazingly great. Thank you guys for staying with me. Thank you guys for watching my videos. I really appreciate the love. Guys, in today's video, I'm going to be making Nigerian turkey stew, and to start off with this recipe, I'm going to be seasoning the turkey we're going to use for this stew. So I'm going to be seasoning the turkey with Maggi, salt. I'm going to be using dried parsley. I'm also going to be using dried diced onions. I'm going to be using salt, Maggi, onions, everything that will just make this turkey taste amazing. And most times I always use bay leaf, but I didn't even know I ran out of bay leaf. I like to use bay leaf to also season my protein, whether beef or any type of protein. I always like to use bay leaf. It gives you a different taste on its own, and a different kind of aroma. But I didn't even know I ran out of bay leaf, so that's why I didn't use bay leaf in this in the seasoning of the turkey. So guys, I'm not going to put water in the turkey. If you notice it, I didn't put water at all, and I just had to start boiling it like that because turkey has its own how do I put it, I just want it to steam even without water. So it's now I'm actually going to be putting just a little bit of water because I don't want the turkey to overcook. So I want to prep the peppers, the mixed peppers I'm going to be using. So this is Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm going to be using tomatoes and red bell pepper, and also onions. Most times I like to slice my mixed peppers so that I can boil and then blend it. Fine, some people like to blend first before boiling it, but I think this is much better. Well, depending on which one works best for you, but this actually works best for me. It makes my stew come out so beautiful. It comes out so nice. So I always like to dice my peppers, then I'll boil and fry, and also it makes it fast. It makes my cooking pretty fast. So that is why I actually love to slice my pepper, boil it, and then blend it. So that's actually what I'm trying to do. So I'm trying to rinse the onions before slicing it alongside with the already prepped peppers. So guys, I'm going to be putting it on the gas, and if you're going to steam it, just make sure your gas or the heat is on low heat, so it's going to be steaming gradually. And guys, if you notice, I didn't put water at all in the peppers, because you know how it is with pepper, it secretes its own juice. It brings out its own juice. It has its own juice, so you don't need to put water while boiling the peppers. So just allow it steam. That's why I said your heat have to be on low heat. As you can see, some parts of them have started burning. The burnt part is just what gives the stew the aroma, just gives it this kind of unique aroma. But just give it a try, guys. Just give it a try and leave a comment for me in the comment section. Let me just know how it turned out if you're gonna give it a try. So once you see it like this, just know it is properly steamed, because you see it's gonna completely cook. You can see the water that actually came out from this pepper, despite the fact we didn't even put water at all. So guys, our turkey is ready, and I'm going to be transferring it into a bowl, and I'm going to be grilling the turkey. I used to fry turkey before, but over time I just felt I think I would rather prefer to grill it. So I'm going to be grilling the turkey in the oven, but before that I want to sort out the stock I got from the turkey. So I'm going to be sieving it because of the particles. I'm not going to say particles, but it's just the ingredients that's in the turkey stock. So that's the reason why I'm actually sieving the turkey stock, because we're going to be needing it for the stew. So now I'm putting the turkey in the baking tray, in the oven tray. So I'm going to put it in the oven, and I'm going to be setting the oven for 300, depending on the kind of oven you're using. But for my oven, I'm going to be doing 300 degrees for it to grill properly. And then pepper is ready. Most times it's good to leave it to get properly cool down before you blend. But I was actually in a hurry. I was actually in a haste to just make this turkey stew. That's why I had to blend it while it is still hot. So guys, can you see the outcome of this pepper? Is looking beautiful already, like pretty fine and smooth. You can even use this to make your Nigerian jollof rice. You see the outcome is so beautiful. So guys, our turkey is ready. You can see how that turkey looks. Nobody will even know you didn't even fry it. So I'm going to be using olive oil to fry this stew. So now diced onions is frying in the oil, and then my peppers, I've poured the pepper and I'm going to fry this pepper very well, depending on how you want your pepper. Some people want their pepper to be watery, some want it to be thick, but for this purpose I'm gonna make it not too thick and not too watery. And so I had to put the stock we got from the turkey, curry, thyme. I'm going to be using Maggi seasoning, chicken seasoning, and I'm also going to be using salt. And then I also used parsley, but I think I did that off camera. So this is just what I have left from the blended pepper. So I'm going to be putting that in the fridge, so when next I need to make stew or any type of soup, I'll just still make use of it. So now it's time for me to start putting in the turkey, because the pepper is the stew is well fried. So I'm going to be putting in the turkey, and after putting in the turkey, I'm still going to leave it to steam for a while, to still cook for a while, so that the pepper and the turkey can marry each other, so the pepper can get into the turkey. So that's the reason why I'm still going to leave it to still cook for a while. So guys, our stew is ready. Our turkey stew is ready, guys. See it? You see how beautiful this looks? You see how beautiful this looks? So guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and if you're trying this out, let me know in the comment section how it actually turned out. Please guys, refer to my old videos and watch them. Thank you. Bye bye.